In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Squarespace video page. First, make sure you're logged in to your Squarespace site and looking at the home dashboard. From here, click Website, then click Pages. This takes you to the Pages panel, where you can see your site's navigation and any existing pages. Think of this as your control center. It's where you add new pages, rename them, and organize how they appear in your menus. At the top of the page list pane, click the plus icon. This opens the page creation window with a variety of page types and ready-made layouts. You'll use this to quickly spin up a page designed specifically for video content, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the page creation window, go to the video section. Here, you'll see a set of video page templates, each with a different layout and style. Take a moment to look through the options. Some focus on a featured video with supporting content, while others display a grid or list of multiple videos. Choose the one that best fits how you want to present your content and how your viewers will navigate it. Select a template, and it will be added to your website instantly. You'll see a new page appear in your Pages panel, typically with placeholder sections and sample text or images. This is your starting point. The template gives you the structure. Now you'll make it yours. Next, edit the contents and add your videos. Click directly on any text to replace it with your own titles, descriptions, and calls to action. For video areas, click to edit the block and either paste a link from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, or upload a video file if your plan supports uploads. Add clear titles and short descriptions so viewers understand what each video is about, and include a thumbnail image if the layout calls for it. If your template uses sections, you can duplicate, remove, or reorder them to match your content flow. Adjust spacing, colors, and fonts to align with your site's style so the page feels consistent with the rest of your brand. As you refine the page, keep clarity in mind. Organize videos in a logical order, use concise headings, and make sure buttons and links lead visitors where you want them to go. Squarespace saves your changes as you work, so you can edit confidently and return to tweak anything later. And that's all. You've added a dedicated video page, chosen a layout that suits your content, and customized it with your own videos and copy. Now your audience has a clean, focused place to watch and explore your work.